Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 25 Teacher Show Database in Laravel 12. Tuition classes in Laravel 12. This is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Contact for website related service to +9 19941599815 anytime. Contact 24/7. I am always available. And this call and WhatsApp number this is available. Let's start this video. First of all, my Gem server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost PSP my admin, and this is my project is available. This project is already run inside this already run good working. Let's click this teacher is not working. First of all, this is a database name you create. This is a database name. This is a please check this previous all video, otherwise not show this teacher means id, name, email, phone number, payship, specialization and joining date. In this is all implementation, full name, email address, contact and subject, and this when the teacher joined. This is all implementation. Let's close this, and this is already inside this implementation, this teacher table, id, name, email, phone number, and this is all good. This project is this not use, close this, and this successfully run. This is a Laravel localhost in this project, and this is a super admin is a login. Let's first of all this table is a create. This click this new table, and this is available teacher. This is a teacher is a click this teacher, small t. First is id, name, email, id, name, email, last is a phone, and this is a column is a implementation. This is a column, go button, click this and plus column phone. This is a name is a available. This is a join date and created date, and last is a updated date. All good. Varchar date and time, null, null 255 11 and null. Successfully scroll down, primary key and auto increment, short name OIL means auto increment. Please write down this step by step. This is a write down all successfully this table, and save this. Successfully create. This is a successfully create. This is a teacher table. Let's this teacher table in this model is a create. This is a model. Less model is a in the app model, and this is a model is a create model dot PSP and teacher. Successfully model create. Same here, copy. This is a copy and paste here successfully. This is a request is not used. Let's remove this, and this is a rename. Copy this name and paste here, and this is a table name is available, teacher table name. Successfully this is a model is a good working. Let's app http new controller is a create teacher controller. This is a controller, copy same name versus a copy, and this paste here PSP. Successfully create. This is a controller, all good. Let's student controller is a copy and paste here, and this is a teacher controller, rename, copy and paste here, and this is a model is a create this same model and paste here, working fine, and this is a working good, and this is a successfully working good. Let's public function index, and this is a public function index is a implementation. This is a resource view inside. This is a view, and this is a open. This is a teacher teacher sidebar, layout, and this is a sidebar is available. Let's inside this link is a create teacher, url same name is a copy, only name change is a teacher, the same name is a copy, teachers and teacher. Successfully teacher is a set, and this is the active link is a implementation. This is a very quick work, not a slow mind. This is a quick work, and this is the same name, copy and paste here. Successfully all good. This is a good. Let's save file. Let's same name, copy this, copy route inside the web.php file. Open this file, open inside this is a new route is a create route get paste here, and this is a already controller create. This is the same name, copy paste here and close this, and controller name is a teacher controller, same name, copy and paste here, teacher controller, include teacher controller. Inside this include class index. This is a index function is already implemented, same copy, and this is the index function inside this available. Let's echo, and this is a die. Save file. Let's refresh this page. 100% is a working fine. This is a good working. Wait, this is a error. Wait, same. This is a string. This successfully. This is all good. Sidebar is the menu is a working good. This web.php in this close, and this is a extension. This is all good. Let's refresh this page and click this teacher, and successfully string is available. This is a working fine. Admin teacher list. This is a URL is a successfully working fine, and this is a string is a show good working. Let's return view super admin. Inside this new create this name is a teacher inside this is the index dot index, and close this working fine. Let's copy this name teacher, copy, and first of all this is super admin. Inside this new folder is a create successfully folder create. This is the index file is a create index blade.php successfully create. Let's same here. This is a student inside this same name, copy and paste here, and this is a section end section. Save file. Let's refresh this page. 100% working fine. Let's teacher is a working good, and this is a active menu is a set already working fine. This is a active menu segment 1, and this is segment is a 2. This is a active menu, all good. Let's insert this is the name is a sense. This name is a sense. So first of all this is a layout inside this is a footer not used. This is a app this sidebar, and this is app. This is a dashboard is available. Sidebar, okay, inside this available. This is a super admin dashboard. This is a dashboard is a remove only working fine. This is only super admin. Inside this is the implementation. This is a words. Anytime please contact this service number is available. This is a share file and refresh this page. This is available. Super admin is a remove not use. This is a save file and refresh this page. 100% is a contact for website development contact. Style color red. Save file and refresh this page. This is a not a save file and refresh this page. Successfully this is a color is a show good working. And that's fine. Click this teacher, and this is a working fine. The student inside this 100% is show, and this is a inside this is a show all good. This is a menu is a 100% show, and this is a next is a this is a dynamic. Inside this only show only work. This is a teacher. Click this, and this is a teacher and this is a blank. Let this database is the insert this record 1 insert. Click this insert. One teacher name is Mohebo. This teacher name Mehebo @gmail.com. Phone number is this is a phone number. Specialized math. Joining date is a set. This is a today is a joining date. The joining date is a set. This created date and go button. Click this. Successfully one record is a created. This is a good working. This is a one record is a created. This record is a inside this show, step by step show. Let's first of all this is open $data get record is equal to this same name, copy and paste here get $data pass here, pass, save file and refresh this page. 100% is a working fine, not a issue. List table is open this to list of table inside this available. This table is a copy this table and this is a paste here and this is a pagination inside this remove not use, and this is a get record is available inside this already implementation get record. This first of all this is id name email phone, this available id name email phone. Let's see, this is a set, this is a specialize this set address not use, this remove. This is a joining date, this is a created date and a updated date is a set, and this is a URL is a remove not use, this URL remove. All good. Refresh this page, working fine. This is a fine and this is action is a not used, this action. Okay, this is a address is a remove, this not use address inside this implementation. This is a name specialized. Joining date, registration is a remove not use. Okay, this created date, let's create a date set, created a date, save file and refresh this page. This created date, the same name, copy and implementation phone number. This is available phone number. All good. Let's refresh this page. All successfully set. This is a name is a set, id name email phone number specialization joining date created date and updated. This is all successfully working fine, and this is a step by step. Write down this file. This is a not used, remove. This is a name is a teacher name step by step. In this is a implementation teacher, and this is the same name is a teacher. Please write down step by step. This file is a including working fine. All good. This is a successfully. This list is a show. This successfully list is a show, and let's second is a record is a create. This second record same name record create. Mohati @gmail.com. Password phone number is a this is a phone number is a dummy number. This is a dummy number is a wrong number. Specialize is a Hindi. Joining date is a 1. This created date today. Updated date is a any updated date. This is updated date is set. and go button, click this 100% to record is a create successfully, to record is a show, and refresh this page, and this is a to record is a show. This is all good. This is a joining date, this created date and updated, the same date is available. This 18122, this is a 24 successfully. This is a all good. This mobile number and this is a working fine. Please write down. This is a step by step all show. First of all, this is a sidebar open. This is a sidebar, and this is a URL is available. This URL, this is a inside this new URL is a create this URL, and this is a teacher controller, open teacher controller successfully. This teacher controller, write down inside this model is available. This teacher controller inside this is a model inside this teacher controller successfully. Record is a get super admin teacher inside this index file is a all successfully. This is a name is a database name ID, and this get record is a pass here. This same get record in this data is a inside this pass, all successfully set. And this is a database show. This is a database texture is a show successfully. This is a texture. Please step by step all select. And this is any doubt, so please contact errorsolutioncode.com. This is I am always available via help 24/7 WhatsApp and Telegram. And this is my channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.